How do we start this video? Let's talk about loneliness of a bitch. The loneliness is real when you decided to stand out, to not be your same old self, or to not be a good girl, a good boy you used to be, or your parents, your friends want you to be. Like, that is so fucking annoying that people keep seeing me as a convenience option. Like, the first thing they sacrifice is me because they think that I would take everything they throw on me. I must make this video today to teach you how to describe your feelings in Cantonese. Why Cantonese? Why not other language? That's because this is my mother language, okay? And even if I speak in my own language, I still got misunderstood. Is it because of my look? Like, because I wear pink? Or is it because I'm a girl? I am short and I just look cute? I don't know. Like, I didn't even try to be cute girl. Don't get mad at me for breaking that expectation. You are such a loser if you have to project things on other people to make you feel better. See, I'm totally a bitch. Even if I said that on my last video that if you want to make good impression, you must not only talk about yourself, but hey, do I look like I care? You know, if you want likes, it's so easy. You just have to be quiet, be cute. Like, instead of saying, hi, what's up, losers? I would come to my channel and say, hello. So today we're going to learn. Like, fuck that. I used to be that girl and I'm not that anymore. Like, that's fucking lame. If everyone likes me but I don't like myself, then what's the point of living? Do I just need you to like me that much? But I would just be myself, and that gives me a lot of trouble in this industry. Like, you know, we're doing something with the public. So even if you're an actor or you're an Instagram influencer that is selling products, you somehow have to maintain an image that is likable. And that is so fucking annoying because I'm not like that. I don't give a fuck. But if I don't get enough likes, then I cannot survive in this industry. You know how difficult it is. And this is why I feel lonely. And I'm going to teach words in Cantonese now. Loneliness in Cantonese is 孤獨. 孤獨. And then I feel lonely. 我覺得好孤單. 我覺得好孤單. Fingers market is really lonely, right? Because everyone expected you to be perfect. As a kid, you might not have that strong sense of self, so it's normal for you to think that if I do not do this, then people are not gonna like me. It's completely normal, but it is not right to think that because fuck that. It's a transaction, okay? Now means angry. Now. 我好嬲啊. And how do we say sad in Cantonese? 傷心 or 唔開心 means negative, right? 傷心唔開心. As a smart kid, people expected us to be perfect all the time, but this is what my channel teaches you. Do not chase perfection before you actually start doing something. Perfect in Cantonese is 完美. 完美. It's actually very specific. 完 means finished. 美 means beautiful. So that means you finish something beautifully. If likes are what you're chasing, I think you should get out of my channel. But if you want to learn how to gain self-respect and continue to grow with me, then this channel is for you. After learning some negative emotions, let's do something positive. 自信. 自信, that means self-confidence. I am so confident. 我好自信. 我好自信. 興奮, that means excited. I'm excited for the rebrand of my second channel, Be Face Panda, because that means I no longer am your favorite quiet, cute panda girl. I am this bitch. So see you next time and catch me on stream. Bye bye!